Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off vibration on iPhone. So if you want to turn off vibration on your iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to turn it off generally for the whole settings on your iPhone. Simply means that I'm going to show you a specific option, a button that you can turn off on your iPhone, and this will automatically turn off all vibration option, starting from your test vibration, call vibrations, to silent mode vibration, keyboard vibration, all vibration, the alarm vibration, all the vibration on your phone. Here's how you can do it. There's how you can do that. First thing you have to do is open up your settings. Then once you open up your setting, you should have something like this on your screen, which is your home settings. Then scroll down to accessibility. Then from accessibility, scroll down a little, then tap on touch. So from touch, scroll down a little, then under shake to undo. Just make sure you turn it off. Then this means when this switch is off, all vibration on your iPhone will be disabled, including those for earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alert, for all vibrating option. And that's how you can turn off vibration on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.